If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Yoshi Sling. And this is a car threads pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So as you can see, it is a sling bag. So it's situated in a way that you could wear it on either side of your back, like so. Or you can flip it around and wear it so it's slung the other way, or you can even wear it across your front like so, like a crossbody bag if you like. It is a really good size. On the back, it features a sling strap, which you can take off if you wanted to, a carry handle, and a large pocket here, which fits. I have a large iPhone, fits in there nice and perfect with even room to spare. On the front, you have a zipper pocket here, as well as a hidden zipper pocket right here. And it has a double zip closure on top. Opens up to a large slip pocket, as well as a zipper pocket on the opposite side. This is just such a great sling. I truly like it. I think it is the perfect size. It can be made in vinyls, it can be made in canvases, it can be made in cottons, it can be made in leathers. I can make it in whatever you like. So if you're one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. And also it is our February 2024 Thursday class. So we'll be doing this one on Thursdays through the month of February. And then once those classes are all done, the tutorial will be released to the public side. If you don't want to wait for the tutorial, you can always join the Beans Peeps Club, which is the lowest tier on the membership side that gets you a sneak peek of all these tutorials before they release. So yeah. Anyways, if you did like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.